Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone is unlocked and has enough battery. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Settings from the app tray or swipe down and tap the gear icon. Navigate to Display. That groups brightness, sleep, and screensaver controls. Make sure to pause on Display. This is where Samsung keeps the screensaver tool. You'll now be ready to choose the screensaver menu and pick the type you want to preview and customize. You'll tap Screensaver and switch it on. That activates the controls. Next, pick a style: clock, colors, photos, or My Photos, depending on whether you want information or visuals while charging or docked. Once selected, tap Preview to see how it looks, then open Settings inside the Screensaver pane to adjust timing, photo folders, and transitions. Make sure to use Start Now to test immediately. If it looks good, you can exit Settings and rely on the chosen behavior. You finish by selecting when the screensaver runs, while charging, docked, or both, so it only appears when you want. After you save, test it by plugging your phone into a charger or tapping Start Now. Observe timing and visuals. If the saver doesn't appear, check battery saver and power mode, because aggressive settings can block screensavers. Also confirm screen timeout isn't set too short, and restart the phone as a last resort. That clears
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.